Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you the measurements showcase on MICROLIFE BP B6. Okay, so take this and put it on your arm. So through that hole put your hand and slide it to your arm, and then just close that. Okay, and now when you have it on your arm, just click this button and wait. You can hear that it is working. You should not move your hand while it is doing that. And you should not talk, but I'm just doing it for the showcase. Just hold still. You can see that. It may be a bad measurement because I moved my hand. Okay, but now just unzip it and slide your hand through it. And that's it. If you want to know what this all this number means, then the video is on our channel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.